The following video is a 14-inch by 31.5 center to center TAKISAWA WEBB engine lathe, model TSL-800D, serial number BAP90707-H. It's new 1979. Lathes are in excellent condition. Has a 4-drawer chuck, changeover gears. And a face plate.
Forward reverse is on the hood. Forward reverse.
Forward and reverse for your feed.
Right. Switch to thread.
It's in threading?
Yeah. Same thing. So I can change the shape. Speed change. High and low speed mode.
High and low switch.
It's 55.
55 RPM. 100 RPM. 690 RPM. What's that?
370.
370?
I will pump it up a little higher, but I'm only going to go to 1,000.
What's that? RPM?
1,030.
1,030 RPM.
It's only one higher. Get off and on.
This is as high as we gotta go. These were on wood blocks. It's not, the machine's not level. It's 1,030 RPM. Its stock runs smooth.
Want me to drop it back down?
Sure.
Let's go to 560.
560 RPM.
Basically the whole range.
Show the ways one more time. Again, that's a 14-inch by 31.5 center to center TAKISAWA WEBB engine lathe. It's a model TSL-800D, serial number BAP 90707-H. It's new 1979. Again, the serial number is BAP 90707-H.